Hello everyone, my name is Masha and today I'm here with my sister,
Maya.
and today we're going to be opening your mail. So before we get into it, I want to quickly introduce my beautiful little sister. Introduce yourself.
I'm Maya.
Yes, her name is Maya. And before you guys ask any questions, we are both from the same family, but we do speak a little bit different. The reason being, I grew up in the UK, and then as some of you know, I moved to Russia. When we moved to Russia, Maya was 1 year old, so she didn't grow up in the UK, she grew up in Russia, which is why we sound a little bit different. But anyway, let's get to the mail. So, we went to the post office today, and we received 4 letters, which we're going to be opening now. So which one do you want to start with? We've got 4 here.
Let's start with this one.
This has some really cute washi tape on the back and a little thank you. Woo! This is a big letter. Okay, do you wanna read it with me?
I really like the handwriting.
Oh yes, the handwriting is very beautiful. Okay, so dear Masha Nuts, hello from Tennessee in the USA. I was taught to make the basic candy stripe bracelet years ago by a lovely lady my dad worked with. Fast forward 27 years and I started watching your videos on YouTube. I really like watching your videos. I have several problems with my hands, so making bracelets is not a full-time hobby I can take on. My hobby is writing letters. I even have a pen pal of 2 years. That's amazing. I really am looking into the whole pen pal thing. I recently found a really cool video on YouTube of like, I'm gonna leave it linked in the description of the video that I found, but there's this person who does pen paling and journaling, and she does it so well. It's like a whole vibe. I'm really into it and I want to start doing it as well. So I actually posted a story recently and a lot of you guys seem to be interested in it as well, so let me know if you're interested in that, and I might do something sort of channel-wide. I'm thinking of connecting everybody. So yeah, anyway, I was both intrigued and excited when I saw your candy stripe chain link bracelet. I was pleasantly surprised at how easy it was to make. My first attempt, however, I made 3 mistakes. I sent it to the lady that taught me how to make friendship bracelets many years ago. I wanted to show her my work and thank her for teaching me the basics all those years ago. My second attempt, I was very careful to make my knots very tight and to correct any mistakes. I learnt to correct mistakes, make half triangle ends, twisted ties, and the aforementioned bracelet. Thank you so much, I really do appreciate that. I would like to ask your permission to enter my bracelet in the local county fair. I have always wanted to enter a project into the exhibit part of the fair. Thank you for sharing your beautiful art and wonderful skills. By the way, I'm not on social media sites, so I'm unable to show you my bracelet. I would love to receive a note from you if you have some time. And then there's a return address. So you don't need to ask my permission to submit stuff. Like pretty much none of what I post is my original creation. I take different tutorials from the internet and sort of make them into video tutorials because they're usually photo tutorials. So they're not even my creations. So you can definitely do that. I mean, you made it, so you can do it. And I love that this person is a little bit older as well. So if, I'm not gonna count because that is a little bit rude, but if this person learnt about like 26, 27 years ago, and I mean, they probably weren't a baby at that point, so this person is a little bit older. I said in my previous video that my audience really ranges. So there are like young children to people over 60, and I feel like that's amazing. So thank you very much. What's her name? Thank you very much for your letter, Bethany. This was amazing to hear. I'm really happy that you are enjoying making bracelets and that I could help you. That's great. So which letter do you want to open next?
Let's open this one.
This one, yes, the smallest one. You want to open it?
Yes. Oh no.
There's a bracelet.
Nice.
Nice. Ah, look at that. I know I probably should read the letter first, but I'm gonna take the bracelet first. Look at that, it's so cute! It looks like one of the first bracelets that I've made. It's beautiful. Do you think you can make that?
I hope I can, but I'm not sure.
Look at that, it's a tiny little chevron. It looks like some of my first creations as well. It's really, really cute. Thank you. I should read the letter first as well. There's a return address here as well, which means I'll be sending a reply. Hi Masha, I'm Phoebe and I'm new to the bracelet making community. I recently discovered your channel and I loved it. I sent you the second bracelet that I ever made. I know it's not very good, but I hope you like it. I do like it. As I said, it really reminds me of the first bracelets that I made as well. I'm actually making this letter while watching your vids. I think the bracelets are really cool, but I struggle with reading patterns. I hope you can help me with that. I can help you with that, hopefully. I have a tutorial on it already up. I'll leave that in the description for you. The bracelet I'm sending to you is what I had left of my threads. I actually quite like these colors. Keep crafting, Phoebe. Thank you very much, Phoebe. Thank you for the bracelet. See, I love having my PO box because then people can send me stuff like this, and this is really cute and special. I also really like the color combination. I think the colors are really nice.
Yeah, will it fit your hand?
Probably not. But that's not the point. That's not the point. Okay, let's open another letter. So all of these have return addresses on them, which means I'm going to be sending out some replies. Oh, look at this one, it's so cute. I love the colors as well, the sort of yellow and the orange. This is a pattern that I also made when I was just starting out. I remember actually making this when I was like 12 or something. Back in Moscow and in our flat, I was making this specific pattern as well. It's really, really cute, I like it. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
See, I'm getting presents all over. There's a little note with a heart. It says the bracelet is a candy stripe with hearts. Ooh, I love this handwriting as well.
My name is Mimi, and I love to make friendship bracelets. I found your channel by looking at my recommends on YouTube, and the video was called Organizing My Thread Collection, and I clicked on the video and I enjoyed it. I checked your channel, and it was about friendship bracelets, and I subscribed to your channel. Bracelets to me are fun because it helps me to not give up, and at school no one makes friendship bracelets, so I teach my classmates and I make a lot for my friends. So I want to thank you for inspiring me to make friendship bracelets and teaching me how to make different types of bracelets. Love, Mimi.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. This is so cute. I really like the handwriting. I think it's really beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cute.
That's amazing. See, I don't know. I love this. I also really love finding out how people found out about me. So when people tell me like, oh, I saw the Organizing My Thread Collection video, that's fun for me because I remember making that and editing that and thinking, someone might find me through this, and someone did, and that's great. And I'm so happy that I can actually help people, you know? That's great. I love bracelets as a hobby. I feel like making bracelets and stuff, I mean really any sort of community hobby, but still, like making bracelets really brings people together, you know? And that's amazing. And I love that. Okay, let's open the next one.
The last one.
Last one, yes. This one is a big boy. Oh, so it's a letter in an envelope, and then inside is another envelope. I like that.
Bracelet.
There's another bracelet inside. Okay, let's read the card first. Aww, look at that. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little unicorn. Look at that. That's so cute. That's amazing. It's a little beautiful unicorn.
Hello, Masha Knots. My name is Anasara. I am 7 years old. I live in Florida. I love your videos. I just started making friendship bracelets. That is so cute.
Oh, let's look at the bracelet because it's inside here.
And there's a little rainbow here.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. There is. There's a rainbow at the back. Good eye. And there's this cute little, what's this called? I forgot the name. Chinese staircase bracelet. This is called a Chinese staircase bracelet. And it's really cute. Look at that.
I love the colors of the bracelet.
And this is called a Chinese staircase bracelet. I'm going to be making a tutorial on it at some point, but you can also find them online. There's plenty available. And this is really cute. See, that's what I was saying. Like, I have people of all different age ranges. Like people starting at 7 years old, probably even younger to be honest, and people going all the way to like their 60s and 70s. Everybody can enjoy making bracelets. Like, isn't that great? That's just a hobby that unites everybody. I like that. Well, thank you guys so much for sending me some stuff. I had a great time looking through all of your letters. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did. They're really cute and nice.
I thought they were really cute as well. If you too want to send me something in the mail, there is an address linked in the description. If you want to receive a reply from me, leave a return address. I do not guarantee a reply, but I will be replying as long as I physically am able to. So now I only got 4 letters. I'm definitely able to respond to all of them. So if you sent me mail today and I opened it, be on the lookout for getting a response quite soon. If you guys enjoyed seeing my sister, she's also going to be in a couple more videos, so keep your eyes out for that as well. We're going to be filming a few videos today while she's still here. I think we're going to be doing a Q&A and also another video with you, yeah? I post videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes I post bonus videos like this one, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Bye!